All right, fellas, I thought I'd come on here and give a little update on the 55 Ford pickup street rod. Y'all know I had a terrible time with the black paint that I shot on there, and that was the splash paint, and it was not anything to do with the paint. I think, let me get my pointer here. I think it was just, I was a little bit too anxious, and when I shot this primer on the first time around, even though that to me a paint dries really quick, I don't think I gave it enough time to dry because I normally let it dry for 24 hours, and I didn't do that this time. So I had to end up stripping it, and I always use the easy off, and you spray it down, let it sit for a day, and then take a toothbrush on it and wash it off, and most of it comes off by then, but I always spray it down one more time to get down the little crevices, and it does a pretty good job. So I got it all cleaned up with the easy off. Most of the paint came off, and then I think I started with 800 grit sandpaper, and then I went straight to like 2,000, 6,000, and 12,000, and washed her all down and hit her with that primer yesterday. And boy, I tell you what, I'm really digging how it came out. It came out super nice. Let me see if I can get it in the light here. Yeah, this came out really nice. I was really surprised it came out as good as it did. So I think I saved this one pretty good. Well, I'll tell you, this body just came out really nice. You can see there, I filled in, smoothed out the firewall on this one, and then also right here where the stock filler neck was for the gas tank, I filled that in because this one is going to get the tank in the back, the fuel cell that goes in the back. There's the air tank. This is everything. It's ready for it right there, guys. It's ready to go. Ready to get that big old 429 in there. 429? Or is it? Yep. So anyway, got the interior painted up. Everything's ready. I'm just ready to shoot this black. Now, I went to the hobby shop. I don't think I've got enough of the splash paint nocturnal black left to spray this again. And to tell you the truth, I'm a little leery about it anyway. So I bought this, this is what I painted a lot of my vehicles with. To me, it's acrylic paint. So I got the X1, the black, and I'm going to mix that with just some off-the-shelf lacquer thinner like I always do, 50-50. And we're going to shoot that on there. But this time around, I'm going to hit this with the Splash Paints 2K Clear, that urethane they've got. That stuff really lays down nice, so I'm going to see how it does over top of this. I'm just hoping I can get this to lay down really nice because I don't want to have to strip this again, fellas. But just thought I'd come on here and give you all a little update where I'm at on this thing. It's looking good. We've got, this is Tuesday. Tomorrow, I got to throw some wax on Ruby and get Ruby all cleaned up because the frog follies are coming up starting this Friday. So we're going to be out there Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So I got to get Ruby taken care of. Got to cut my grass on Thursday, so may not be doing any more painting until probably next week sometime. So just got a lot going on, fellas. All right, I just wanted to come on here and give you all an update on where I'm at on this thing, and it's looking good right now. So fingers crossed, fellas. All right, I'm done.